A waiver?
I should have signed a death waiver.
Oh my God, that's intense.
That's the intro.
Hi guys, welcome back. Here is Mr. Z, and of course, today we have Becky, the one and the only. I'm gonna teach Becky to do one of her favorite dishes from your childhood, which is?
Lasagne.
Lasagne.
Yes.
Fantastic. So, it can be made in many different ways. It can be, it can be red, it can be white, it can be vegetables, it can be fish, it can be meat.
Microwave as well.
Microwaved as well. Frozen, oh my God. Today we're gonna do it fresh, the fresh of the fresh.
Oh my gosh.
The best lasagna you can ever have in your life. Here, with the best ingredients, as always.
I don't think you realize how excited I am. I'm buzzing.
And of course, depending where you are from in Italy, you have a different lasagna.
Oh, okay.
So I've been taught a lasagna which is traditional to my city. But today I'm making something which is refined what I learned in the past. So let's start with the basics.
Yes,
so,
sounds good.
Thing number one, we need a chopping board. How do we stop a chopping board from moving?
Well, you hold that. No, there's something about this.
No. So we take some kitchen roll, we make it wet. Look at this.
Yeah.
Then you drain it.
Uh-huh.
Then you open it.
Oh
and,
my.
What happens is that the kitchen roll stops
Moving.
the board from moving.
One sheet does plenty.
Yes, exactly. Look at that. Now, knives.
Do we clap after everything?
Yes,
I love
do clap after everything. Yes.
Hey, here we go.
Knives.
This is terrifying. Imagine if I said to my dad, look, there's a man coming around my house today with knives.
So today we're gonna use this one over here, mostly.
So you don't like my knives at all?
They're colorful. They're very nice.
Pretty knives.
Very pretty. So this is called santoku because it's curvy a little bit, so it's easier to cut all sort of things. Use a spatula to slap people. So when they're wrong, you go like this. Don't slap them, it's really good.
If I start crying, you'll get more views. So should I start crying?
No, please. This knife, I got it 9 years ago. This is one of my first knives and it's still amazing.
Do you know what that says in Japanese?
Yes.
Is it terrifying?
No, it's chicken soup.
No
I'm
way.
Joking, I'm joking. I have no clue. Lasagna. We're gonna start with the ragu. You know what's a ragu?
Like the pasta stuff. No, obviously
the pasta
not.
stuff.
The sauce.
The sauce. Depending on what you're doing, today we have beef shoulder, beef fillet, pork Italian sausage, and ham.
And
Parma ham.
Really?
This is gonna be the meat that's gonna go in the lasagna.
No way, I thought it was just mince.
Not just mince.
Mince beef.
So let's start from the basics. So we have white onion.
Yes.
We have a carrot, white onion, and the celery. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. So you do top and tail. We use this bowl for rubbish. To peel a carrot, you go from the top to the bottom. So you go like that. Okay?
God,
and
speedy.
All this goes away. And remember,
I'm actually lost for words at this whole situation. And I never am.
So what we're gonna do is the following. So you see, when we cut anything, it's important to keep thumb and pinky at the back. The blade goes on this part. So whatever we do, it cannot touch anything. Go down. We go like this, okay? Okay, we turn around, like this, okay?
Did you see that spin? Did you see that?
And then, beautiful.
Okay, so that there, like that?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay.
Flip it.
Very good. And do one cut right in the middle. Watch out your nails. Yeah?
Good thing I'm not wearing nails. Look, there we go.
Very good. If you were wearing nails, it would have chopped off.
This
Yes, lines,
Lines.
That's very good. Beautiful. Again.
That is hell of a knife.
That's very good. Just watch out your fingers, please. This one, you just will chop it right off.
I should have signed a, what's it called?
A waiver.
I should have signed a death waiver.
Oh my God, that's intense.
That's the intro.
And now we're gonna do dices. So how to do dices? The moment that we go with the knife, you see, start from the bottom.
Yeah.
And then it goes like this. So you see?
It does, okay, yeah. Oh,
very good.
Chef Becky in the house.
All square. All right, carrots here.
Did you know what that's for? That's to go in there, right?
I think it's to hang it.
Oh, I thought that was to stop it from going everywhere. So you push it.
I don't know. Is it?
Oh, sorry, it's gone everywhere.
So onion, look at this. You do top, the tail. This is a classic white onion. You don't see this shit around. Then first layer, or first couple of layers, they go out. And
Can I show you what I think I'd do and see if it's
right?
Okay.
You start the half onion. We want cubes, okay?
Yeah. So I would do this.
Okay.
I shouldn't have cut them whole. I've just broken it.
Okay.
Oh my good God. Okay, and then I do this.
Okay. Very good.
See that?
That's nice.
Those are lovely squares.
It looks nice, yes.
Come see this.
Are they squares? It's not square.
Yeah, that's just. I don't discriminate. Look, you can be whatever size you want.
So we can do the same movement that you used. Actually, it works. It's a good movement, you know.
Yeah.
So you learned it probably for some YouTube. But the difference is that you start from one end and end up in the other. You don't go in the middle. And the cuts have to be slightly more next to each other. One cut in the middle.
Oh my gosh. You've just performed origami.
Celery. So the celery, as you can see, this is all muddy. Muddy? Muddy or muddy?
Muddy.
Muddy. Very good. Underwater a little bit. Very good.
Oh.
This is like the Pope, you know?
I'm in the splash zone.
So celery, same edge.
No, you're telling me to be careful and you're doing that.
Okay. And then you go down.
Do you know I love celery?
I love celery.
Don't mind me. Straight through.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. No, wait, let me see.
It's my fault.
Let me see.
It's only a stab.
So what do? You do like this?
Do you always stab your guest? I'm joking. It was all me.
It's not a ritual.
Can't believe this is my last day on this earth.
Done. No more blood. Okay.
Is it gone?
Good.
I've been milking that for days as well, with the plaster going on.
Now this one, what you do, you put your knife on top, you press it with your hand, okay?
Yeah.
Like this.
So I knew to do that, but I never understood why.
That's it. We peel it. Because we peel it. This is the base. So what we're gonna do, so olive oil, Balcari, amazing stuff.
Balcari. Oh, let me show you something I wanted to show you.
Show me, please.
What do you think about this? I left the bottle to show you.
Oh, great.
It
doesn't even have ingredients. That's how bad it is. So I'll tell you a fun fact, which is gonna scare you for life. Vanilla paste is not from vanilla.
It's not at all?
No.
Vanilla pods? No, nothing.
You know what is it?
What?
So vanilla paste, it comes from testicle of beavers.
Beaver testicle?
Yeah, but it's like the substance that comes from the testicle of beavers.
I've been eating beaver's testicles.
Always use good olive oil.
So Asda olive oil is not the one?
Asda. It's organic, at least.
It's organic.
Butter, this is called Belver.
I've seen this.
So good.
On holidays.
So good. Vegetable. In. Okay.
You know, my favourite thing about chefs is their movements.
Yes.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yes. So you look how beautiful, you see?
Don't touch it.
Why not?
Because you burn.
No, but I can touch the top. I don't touch the bottom.
Okay, yeah.
You can do it. Try. No, like this.
It's like an episode of Saw.
So.
So how
That's the starting point.
Is this going to be lasagna?
Oh well.
Find out.
We're gonna find out
Stay
soon.
to the end of the video. And subscribe. Look at that sausage.
Some shoulder.
Sausage.
70% of beef shoulder, 30% of beef fillet, minced.
Yeah. I normally get
Look how beautiful this is.
50%.
Oh, fuck off. And you probably buy the beans.
So what is this process called? Is it called? Is it?
No. Or softening. Softening is the right word.
Softening.
Mm-hmm. Or softening the vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as this is a little bit soft, in about 3 minutes, we're gonna start to add our beef. Then we add the sausage, red wine, water, leave it cooking. 3 hours.
I'm losing my mind. Is this okay?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Continue. We have Parma ham here.
I love.
Have you ever tried good Parma ham?
No.
It's good. Try this.
Not.
You have hairs in the middle, but it's really nice.
I feel like I'm on Kitchen Nightmares. What's your thoughts on Gordon Ramsay?
I think he was, of course, a great chef. He's a great chef.
What? Yeah.
He was a better chef. Of course, he's a TV chef.
Entertainer.
Of course, he's an entertainer.
Yeah.
So you have to understand that everything that goes on TV, you have a microphone. They tell you what to say.
Yeah.
They tell you what to do. They tell
like
you how
this.
to act. So he's at the moment, he's more of a chef actor than a chef.
Oh.
Having said that, I fully respect him, what he does, what he
Yeah.
achieved. It's fantastic, having people getting that big is really good.
Yeah.
Plus, his past, I worked for him, when I was 20. Yeah, I used to work at a 3-star restaurant.
Did he ever shout at you?
I left after 4 days. I said, fuck fuck you, fuck this place, it's not for me. I left, I was really angry.
Oh my God.
They never shouted at me directly, but I hated that they disrespected everybody around me. Look how beautiful this looks.
Sorry,
look at the color, it's like nearly purple. We take the meat, we don't want the skin. Okay?
There's skin on a sausage.
What do you mean? This is the intestine of the pork. Intestine.
Is it?
Yeah. This is the skin.
Why did I not know this? So, another question I have
yes,
for you.
Yes, of course.
Are all chefs angry? Not that you're angry, but when you work in a restaurant?
Yes. That's why I'm not working in restaurants for over 7 years.
Well, now you're the face of YouTube chefery.
Precisely, you know. And soon the word.
Now you're with Becky.
Very good smell, no? So we are sweating the water from the meat. Oh yeah, fill up that with water.
God.
This goes at 9.
9? Full blast.
9. So.
Is that what I sound like?
Red wine. We have Day, great Brunello. It should be Brunello, right? Yes, Rosso di Montepulciano. Oh, amazing stuff.
It's all kicking off.
Are you Scottish?
No, Welsh.
Welsh, oh, fantastic. You're an expert wine opener, right?
Yes, I used to...
Is that how you start?
Yeah, man.
That's pretty good.
Why do you not think?
No.
Would you have started differently? That's like me in the club.
Precisely.
God loves a trier.
Happening? What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Opening the wine, man.
What's happening? What
Something's
have you done?
gone wrong, yeah. Really sorry, but... Whoop.
Okay.
Pop goes the weasel.
Cheers.
Cheers, girls.
Beautiful. Okay, bottle goes in.
Bottle?
Look, we're gonna boil this as soon as possible. A little bit of salt. These are fresh lasagna sheets.
Shit.
You know?
It's like an old book.
These I made them for you.
You made these?
Yes. Because you need to put love in each video. So they're fucking breaking. This is not good, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna blast. So look, a little bit. Take them out. Here.
Straight into the cold water.
It's your job, okay? Go.
They won't know what's hit them.
Go for it.
Here we go.
Count until 10 and then you take it out. All right?
Get out, get out.
And after it's cold, look, you take it and you put it in this bowl.
What a process.
We have butter or butter.
Butter. Or what's the Welsh people say? Butter.
In French?
Welsh.
Butter. Oh, the Welsh.
Welsh, butter. See, that's what I mean. There's no need to do that.
And then we have flour. We have Dorf's Farm Organic Plate White. All right.
Tesco's original.
Fuck Tesco. So, then we have...
Meanwhile,
look,
fuck
like
Tesco.
This.
Do you ever shop in Tesco?
Last time I walked into Tesco was 8 years ago.
Sounds like you had an accident there.
I've never walked into Lidl or Asda.
Never walked in.
Or Iceland, they just told me yesterday. So now, bechamel.
Woo! Oh,
These are 24 months Parmesan.
2 whole
2 years aged Parmesan.
So that cheese has been knocking about for 2 years.
Correct. You're gonna grate some Parmesan inside this. That's nice, no? Oh, you should have said. Have you seen the episode with Carl that he whisked the egg? He had a cramp. He had to go to the hospital the same day. It was crazy.
Did he actually?
It was crazy.
Oh my God. Am I better than Calfreezy? Just in general?
Depends.
Okay.
Depends on what.
Am I better at grating cheese?
No.
Wine? Oh.
Grating cheese? Yeah.
How's that? Ah! No, it's alright. Got you though, didn't I? Oh my God. Have a little close up of that. Oh, shimmy, shimmy.
2 hours have been assembling.
Lovely
what
clean
we're gonna
tray.
do? Thank you.
How do you keep it clean?
Washing it. So.
Whoa! The floodgates are open.
Then, these.
Oh my God. There's layers to lasagna, see?
Parmesan.
What?
It's okay. You didn't put enough olive oil.
So it's my fault.
Yes.
Yep. I'm glad you're taking control of this part because...
Now, continue.
No.
So, you put 1 whole layer and half layer. Go. Beautiful. Nice. Now, consider we need it. Very good. Then you put the ragu.
Lovely.
Use half of it.
Ah! That's embarrassing, by
What
the
do you
way.
mean?
Oh God.
Okay. Are you left-handed?
No.
What are you doing?
Because it was strongest man competition.
Very good. Half,
Enter
yeah?
me. Ah, it's like Christmas.
Did you turn on the oven at 180?
I didn't.
Why?
Do you want to know the true reason?
Yes. You don't know how to.
No, because there's something in there that's a disgrace, and I had to wait. So
What the fuck is inside?
It's incinerated.
I'm drizzling some olive oil.
It's a pasta fig. He's not even acknowledging it. No, can I just say this actually wasn't me, this was Harry.
Harry, the fuck is that?
That's awful.
All right, come on.
I'm so sorry. I'm going to put this around the corner.
Now, we're gonna wait, and in the meantime, we're gonna clean. Are you ready for the lasagna?
I'm so excited.
Do you smell it?
It smells divine.
Oh,
I was trying to look for the adjective.
fantastic.
But
All right.
Oh dear, here we go.
Let me do this so you don't
Oh
burn
my God,
yourself.
can you smell that?
All right.
Woo!
Ooh, go smell it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that.
Beautiful. You have a
Plate.
plate. Oh, that one. Hey, you see the crispy bits?
Yeah.
These are the real deal.
The real deal. Oh. Shee! Sorry. Wow.
This.
Oh my God.
All right. That's right.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this bit. Okay.
Mmm. Oh.
Mmm.
Another level. The meat. Do you taste the meat?
That's incredible.
The meat.
I can taste the sausage.
The sausage. Yes.
So nice.
Mmm.
Jeez.
Amazing.
That's ridiculous.
Really good, no?
Here it comes.
This is a lasagna Mrs. style. What does it mean? Good pasta, good bechamel, top quality meat,
Yeah.
Parmesan. Everything needs to be amazing. Handmade pasta. So these, you see this effect? These crispy bits have to be crispy, but fragrant.
Mmm.
Huh? Fragrant.
Mm-hmm. Incredible.
Excellent. I'm really happy with that.
I think that might be the nicest thing I've ever had. That
Guys.
that was insane.
Guys,
Are you happy with it?
I'm super fucking happy with it.
Super fucking happy with
Becky,
it, bro.
it was a pleasure to having you here. Thank you so much.
That's okay. Thank
And,
you for coming here with all
I
this
hope,
stuff.
of course, that I made a lasagna which blew your way. You
It's
know?
insane.
Excellent, really good.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Like and comment the video, share it, comment what we should cook next. You know,
Yeah.
maybe we're going to San Sebastian and make some beautiful fishy deep fried. You know?
Oh.
God knows what's happening in life, right?
And also, who do you want to see do this?
Yes,
Like,
of
which
course.
YouTuber do you
well.
want to see him with?
I have a lot
wanna
of
know.
ideas, but I want you guys to tell me who is coming on the fucking channel, who I should teach cooking. You know, who should I teach?
Yeah,
No,
I think
tweet it.
Stephen Tries would be so funny on this.
It would be
Yeah,
great.
really, really good.
It would be really good.
That's
Guys,
to you.
I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.
And subscribe.